Bad car starter relay symptoms and solution.
Welcome to our channel, where we discuss various car-related topics and provide solutions to common problems. In this video, we will focus on lousy car starter relay symptoms and their possible solutions. The starter relay is a crucial component in a car's electrical system, responsible for initiating the starting process. It can lead to frustrating issues that may leave you stranded when it malfunctions. So, let's dive into the symptoms and solutions for a bad car starter relay. Welcome back to our channel, Car Solutions, your one-stop destination for all your automotive needs. Whether you're looking for maintenance tips, troubleshooting advice, or product reviews, we've got you covered. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all the updates. Let's start with today's topic: bad car starter relay symptoms and solutions. Symptoms of a bad car starter relay. 1. No response when turning the key. If you turn the key in the ignition and nothing happens, it could indicate a faulty starter relay. A malfunctioning relay fails to send the necessary electrical signals to the starter motor, resulting in no response when you try to start the car. 2. Clicking sound without engine cranking. When you turn the key, you may hear a rapid clicking sound, but the engine doesn't crank. The repeated clicking noise signifies that the starter relay is not thoroughly engaging, preventing the starter motor from receiving the required power to start the engine. 3. Intermittent starting issues. A bad starter relay can cause intermittent starting problems. Sometimes the car starts fine, while other times, it refuses to start. This inconsistency can be frustrating and is a common symptom of a faulty relay. 4. Starter stays engaged. In some cases, a defective starter relay can cause the starter motor to remain engaged even after the engine has started. It can result in a grinding noise or even damage the starter motor and flywheel if not addressed promptly. Solutions for a bad car starter relay. 1. Check the battery. Before assuming the starter relay is at fault, it's essential to verify that your car battery is in good condition. Weak or discharged batteries can mimic symptoms of a bad relay. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean, securely connected, and the battery fully charged. 2. Inspect and test the starter relay. Locate the starter relay in your vehicle's fuse box or engine compartment. Remove the relay and visually inspect it for any signs of damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test the relay's resistance and continuity. If it fails these tests, replace the relay with a new one. 3. Check the wiring. Inspect the wiring connected to the starter relay for any loose connections, frayed wires, or signs of damage. Secure any loose connections and repair or replace any damaged wiring as necessary. 4. Seek professional assistance. If you've performed the above steps and are still experiencing issues, it's advisable to consult a qualified mechanic or an automotive electrician. They have the expertise and specialized equipment to effectively diagnose and fix complex electrical problems. That concludes today's video on bad car starter relay symptoms and solutions. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please comment below. Remember to like this video, subscribe and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Car Solutions.